Hello, very good day, guys. I hope you're doing well. Today, we are going to learn how exactly we can download an offline map from the Google Maps. First of all, you need to open your Google Maps and then you need to select the area or the city or the particular location you want it to be downloaded for the offline map that can help you while driving or reaching there. Once you have selected the area, you can see there is a profile button. You can see there is a purple button with the label of K. And then when you click on that, you will see there is an option for offline maps. You have already selected the area. You need to reselect it once again, particularly which area you want it, and then you can simply zoom it or zoom out it, and then you can select a download button. It can show you what is the memory it will take it. And once you click on the download button, your map will be start downloading, and then you can access it offline. Let me just do it for you. I'm just selecting the area and then now I put the click on download, but I think my internet is slow, but let's try if it works. Sorry guys, I think it's taking long time and it's slow, but it's fine. Let me try if it works well. In fact, I think I should cancel it. I hope you have learned how exactly you can do it. It's a very easy pay, and you can keep this in your phone, and you can also access it as long as you don't have internet. Once you have internet, you can definitely access it. So thank you very much for watching. Let me delete this and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.